everybody, welcome back. Come with us as we go on to another adventure. Like and subscribe. Hi everybody, Lori here, and welcome to Bohemian Lori Travels. We are right now in Ohio, and we are at the River Trail Crossing Campground in Butler, Ohio. And we are right on this little river, which is, I forgot the name of the little river. I'll find out about it and put it in the video. But here is the little river. There's like nobody here but a camper over there. There's campers, looks like that might be seasonals over there. But I'm gonna show you the upgrade that we actually did. So we actually put a home AC in here. And I'll tell you, there was a couple of things that he had to, work out on it, but we can only use it when we plug in. And I'll show you. And to vent it out right here, we have to leave this door open. Now again, we're only part-timers. Leave this door open, and he put a wood here and a plexiglass window here. And this works so far. This is our first time actually using it, and so far it's working good. It's very humid here, very, like muggy. But yeah, so that is the addition, and we're plugging in right over there. See, that's the ones I think that are here for the season. Over here, I think bathrooms are over there and showers. And this was $40 a night, which to us is worth it, because especially when it's humid. And also put in a fan. So having those two in here is the greatest thing ever. And he did a little decor up here for me on that side, because when we actually sleep, I sleep here, the dog sleeps up there with me, and that back cushion comes down here on the floor, and all of our blankets are in the shams over here. Sheets and blankets are all in here. So yeah, so it works out great. We are on our way to another place. So again, I just wanted to show you this little place, and I will get back to you on what this river is. But you know how I like to get a rock? There's rocks in here. So the river that is here is called the Clear Fork River, and this campground is at the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains. So we're really happy here. It's only for one night, but it's a really nice place. marshmallows. Come here, my little roasted vegan marshmallow. Oops. Where's the fire? And this is where the bad stuff is. Right there. This is pretty cool. I don't know the story behind it, but in memory of Doug Mason. Aww. And this is the river at the campgrounds. That goes pretty fast. Here's a little nighttime setup. Got Mr. Freddy in there. Good morning from Ohio. What a beautiful day to wake up to this rolling stream river. Coffee cheers. Oops. Dropped my coffee on my phone. I thought this was very cool. Look, it's a Buckeye Express train, and it's a diner. Look at how amazing it is. It's not open now, but how very cool. And then there's tacos. This definitely is a place for you to come back to. I think it's Bellevue, Ohio, Butler County, I think. But look, how amazing that is. So that Buckeye Express Diner is, I'm not sure the story behind it, but it's in Belleville, Ohio. And it's just outside of Butler. And it's not open now. It opens at 11. Looks like you got to reserve, but it's in a vintage train. So I just thought it was cool. First time us seeing this is we stopped to get gas, and we saw a county car here with a guy and a girl. And a girl had shackles on her feet. This is our first time actually seeing that, but we thought it was different. The things you see when you're out and about traveling on adventures. Hi everybody, Lori here. I didn't do a lot of videos, just little shorter ones. We kind of enjoyed our stay here at the River Trail Crossing campgrounds. It's such a nice, quiet spot. We probably should have booked an extra night here, but we actually didn't. So we're just about ready to leave, and I highly recommend this campgrounds. It was $40 a night, and you got, water, electric, and the river, of course. So make sure you like, subscribe, and go back through all my other videos like those. And we'll see you on the next trip. Bye.